Zelado.com. Weekly detox with tomato juice, garlic, and turmeric. Looking for a great weekly detox? Look no further than this tomato, garlic and turmeric mixture. It's healthy and helps cleanse and detoxify your body. Get rid of toxins with this weekly detox diet based on tomatoes, garlic, and turmeric. These three have excellent benefits for your health and can help you prevent disease naturally. In today's article, we'll describe in detail all the benefits of this delicious and invigorating vegetable juice. Weekly detox to stay healthy. Toxins build up in your body in a gradual way, as a result of a variety of factors. Firstly, an unbalanced diet, and then additives and chemicals found in food. Pollution. Stress and negative emotions. Bad habits like tobacco and alcohol use. And finally, through using products made with chemical ingredients, such as parabens etc. These toxins, if they're not eliminated through the different pathways, the intestines, your kidneys, the lungs, the skin, can cause chronic and degenerative diseases in the long term. In the short term they can cause discomfort and problems like migraines, skin disorders, digestive issues, and more. Types of detox. There are many ways to have a weekly detox for your body, such as: first of all, eating a balanced and nutritious diet. Also, drinking cleansing teas that improve kidney and liver function. Taking medical supplements. Natural therapies. Vegetable smoothies and juices. And, finally, drinking at least 1.5 liters of water a day, outside of meal times. Vegetable juices. Vegetable juices are one way to cleanse your body of toxic substances because they contain nutrients like vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and fiber. These are very helpful in improving the overall cleansing ability of your body. Consequently, adding these juices to your daily diet can have many benefits for your health. Actually, you can also dedicate one day a week to these juices to help maintain a balanced weight and improve your overall health. Tomato, garlic, and turmeric juice. This juice is similar to a Spanish gazpacho recipe, and you'll be using two very cleansing ingredients that also enhance the flavor: garlic and turmeric. This delicious juice has a strong taste and is very refreshing. Once you try it, you won't want to stop drinking it. Tomatoes. Tomatoes have some surprising benefits for your health. They contain powerful antioxidants that can protect you from the internal and external aging processes caused by the effects of free radicals. The lycopene content can help prevent certain types of cancer. Tomato juice fights fluid retention. Can reduce high blood pressure. Promote good digestion. Improve liver function and can prevent gallstones from forming. Reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Garlic. Garlic is a medicinal food with all the following benefits. It strengthens the immune system and acts as a natural antibiotic. Can prevent cardiovascular disease due to lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Improves circulation. Alleviates respiratory diseases. Removes excess fluids from the body. Strengthens the digestive system. Delivers oxygen to the body's tissues. Can calm a sore throat. To take advantage of these properties you must consume it raw. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the best medicinal spices, thanks to its many potent health benefits. It contains anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that make it excellent for calming any discomfort or pain. Is a digestive spice that fights gastric acidity. Improves liver function. Is a great antioxidant. Improves the mood and fights depression. Raises your body's immune defense against fungi, parasites, and bacteria. Speeds up your metabolism. Reduces blood sugar. Is diuretic and improves your circulation. How should you do this weekly detox? Ingredients: 6 or 7 ripe and organic tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of water, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and sea salt, to taste. Preparation. To make this cleansing vegetable juice, all you need to do is blend the ingredients well and season it with olive oil, vinegar, and salt. How should you consume it? Drink this juice in several shots spread throughout the day. Firstly, on an empty stomach, half an hour before breakfast. After that, 20 minutes before lunch. And finally, 20 minutes before dinner. Do this weekly detox once a week, and on that day try to also eat as healthily as possible to enhance the effects of this juice and eliminate more toxins. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and get notified about our videos. Thank for watching.